Hello students. Today we will do the second lesson of English practice book, that is regular, weak and irregular, that is strong verbs. Before this we should know what is verbs. Verbs in your earlier classes learn about the verbs. What are verbs? All action words. The words which show some actions are called verbs. For example, work, go, play, come. These all are the verbs. So in this class, you have to learn about the regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are also called weak verbs. So what is regular verb? So come to here in this box, remember box, definition is given. The verbs that end in ed, d or t in their past form are called regular verbs. The verbs that end in ed, d or t in their past form are called regular verbs. For example, work is a verb, so in their past form it becomes worked. Receive is a verb, in its past form it becomes received. And build is a verb, it's a building ना, हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, तो that is also its past form it become built. So here have you seen, work is and with ed, receive is and with d, because in receive spelling last letter is what? E. So it's and with d. And build, it's and with t. So the verb which and with ed, d or t in their past form are called regular verbs. So I hope now you understand very well about regular verbs or weak verbs. So in this worksheet, first you learn about the regular verbs. Have you heard about the story Cinderella? है ना? That's you all know the story of Cinderella. Here and the verbs are given in the box. All are regular verbs. Let's we see. Cinderella lived in a small village of England with her stepmother and two stepsisters. In this sentence, lived, the last letter leave. What is last letter? E. And in leaves, past form is what? Lived. So here word is and with d in their past form. So it is regular verb. Come to the next sentence. No one in the family loved her. No one in the family loved her. So love is also and with e, and its past form become loved, and and with d. So it is also a regular verb. She worked for the whole day, whereas her sisters did nothing. Work is a verb, and in its past form it becomes worked and with ed. So it is also regular verb, weak verb. One day the family received an invitation to a party at the king's palace. One day what happened? You know na, in the story they received invitation for the party at the king's palace. Cinderella too, like her stepsisters, wanted to go to the party, but her mother refused to take her. She is having a stepmother, and she always try to do all the works and tell her every time to do all the works in the house. So here, have you understand? The lived, loved, worked, received, wanted, refused. These are the past form of the verbs, and all are end with d or ed. So these are all are regular verbs. Okay, understand? Good. Bye. So now come to the worksheet 2. Okay, that you understand what is regular verb. That is, here also we learn about the regular verbs in worksheet 2 also. Let me see. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters went to the party, leaving her alone at home. Cinderella felt sad and wrote the following diary entry. But some words are missing in it. Choose the correct verbs form from the box given below and complete the entry using their past forms. So verbs are given, that all words are verbs in their first V1 form. Now you have to change that words into V2 form, that is its past form. Okay, so first one has been done for you. Before that, we'll change these verbs into its past form. So it's become easy to fill in the blanks. What is first word? Ask. What's its past form? Asked. Call, called. Accuse. Accuse means हमें किसी पर इल्ज़ाम लगाना, किसी गलत काम का या किसी भी चीज़ का हम इल्ज़ाम लगाते हैं, that we call the accused. Receive, received. Express, expressed. Scold, scolded. Scold means डांटना. Try, tried. Learn, learned or learnt. Okay, now we'll see the diary entry of Cinderella. Okay, what is the format for diary entry? We have done in the last year also. First of all, you have to write the date here and time. Date and time, and then whatever you want to write. Okay, what she has written, just see. Today we received an invitation from the king to a dance party. Have you seen? The word is receive, and we have to change that receive in its past form, received. It's given received. Okay, now next sentence. My stepmother and stepsisters expressed a desire to attend the party. उन्होंने ये अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस किया कि हाँ हमें जाना ही है पार्टी में. बट वॉट अबाउट द सिंड्रेला? दे नेवर थिंक अबाउट दैट. When I learnt, learned का क्या हो जाएगा? Learnt. About it means मुझे जब मालूम पड़ा, learnt about it and asked them to take me along. मुझे भी साथ में लेके जाइए. मैंने पूछा. They scolded me. They scolded. Scold का क्या हो जाएगा? Scolded me. They called me ugly. They called me ugly. Ugly कह के बुलाते थे, बहुत ही बदसूरत है. And accused me of being unlucky. और हमेशा मुझ पे इल्ज़ाम लगाते थे कि तुम बहुत ही अनलकी हो. I tried to convince them, but they did not agree. Had I gone to the party, I would have enjoyed myself a lot. I would have danced with the prince. Oh, how I wish I could have gone there. Will no one help me? वो भी चाहती है वो भी प्रिंस के साथ डांस करे, पार्टी में एंजॉय करे, बट ये उसकी सिर्फ विश रह जाती हैं. विल नो वन हेल्प मी, कोई मुझे हेल्प नहीं करेगा मेरे विश को पूरा करने के लिए. तो दैट इज़ द स्टोरी. बट हैव यू लर्न what we want to learn in this? That is the verb in their past form. These all words are ending with D or ED or T. So these all are called regular weak verb. Here also given all the words you have filled in the blanks are regular or weak verbs, and they end in ED, D or T in their past forms. So these all are called regular weak verbs. Okay. Hello students. Now I hope there should be no doubt for regular verbs. Okay. Now let me see the worksheet 3. This is for your homework and you have to do yourself. Now look at the pictures given below and complete the story of Cinderella using the regular verbs given below. Here are some verbs are given and you have to change that verbs into in their past forms. So let me start the story and you have to do yourself. We just explain and then write yourself. Cinderella wanted to go to the party but could not. She dash and words what are given starts crying. Starts is a verb. Regular verbs you have to change that into regular verb that is ending with ed, d or t. So starts, what is the past form of starts? Started. So you have to do Cinderella wanted to go to the party but could not. Then she started crying. Started crying. Okay. Now same way you have to complete all this and it's become the story and story will completed. Started crying. Then a fairy appears. Then a fairy appeared and offered her help like this. Okay. Can you complete now yourself? You must. Okay. Bye. Complete it in your homework.